have the new Darcie's Heart and Home stamps and tin pins to share with you. I have a sample board, so I'm going to share the really cute cards that Darcie's provided. So you get an idea how to use the background stamp and the tin pins. The tin pins give it so much character. All you have to do is just color the image the same color as the tin pin and then glue the tin pin on with some adhesive. This release is so cute. There's that background stamp. Cute little penguin. Cute little bunny with the deer. And that adorable fox sledding. So I'm going to go ahead and share the super cute stamps. So this is the background stamp. This one's called Snowy Scene. It's really pretty. It's got the snow slopes with the birch trees, a little cabin with a tree in the background. And then we've got Snow Much Joy. So you saw the cute little penguin and the little fox sledding. There's some snowflakes. Bring on the merry Snow Much Joy and dancing through the snow. So you can pair that up with the little background and then add a little tin pin. Winter Sparkle. So you get that cute deer, the sweet little bunny, a little Christmas tree, some clouds, a moon or a sun, the little sleigh in a silhouette, some snow. May the magic of winter sparkle all around you in happy, merry winter. And then the tin pin is for the little deer. Then we've got Sweet Friends. So we've got a snowman cookie and a hot cocoa or some kind of hot drink with whipped cream. Thankful for sweet friends like you. We go together like happy cookies and cocoa season. Really cute. And then the tin pins for that one. So I'll have the link down below to the Darcie's Heart and Home section in the shop. Super cute. I just brought in a ton of new Darcie stamps. A lot of Halloween ones. Super fun. And I did bring some tin pins in as well. So check that out, guys. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.